Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through a quick and a simple way on how to remove or delete alerts from your CoinSpot account. If you're looking for a way to get rid of a price alert that you previously set up for a coin on CoinSpot, then the process is quite easy. Let's jump into the video right away. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser and make sure to log into your CoinSpot account. Type in coinspot.com.au and make sure to log in by entering your credentials correct in the sign-in page. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and click on your profile drop-down at the top right corner in order to bring up this expanded menu. Select the price alerts option from the menu and then you will be able to see the price alerts that you've previously set. Scroll down to existing alerts and then click on the edit button for an existing alert. To remove the alert, you can simply click on the delete alert option at the bottom of the screen, and doing this will be able to remove a price alert or delete alert from your CoinSpot account within a couple of minutes. So that was how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.